Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. And this watch is a stainless steel 2023 limited edition of 8 pieces. The watch is the Sartory Billard SB07 Grail Watch Turquoise. So the timepiece includes a lot of the elements of the Grail Watch Ghost, albeit with a turquoise stone dial. It is part of Sartory Billard's fantastic integrated bracelet series, mirror finished, 40 millimeters in diameter, 10.8 millimeters thick, and from lug to lug, 48.1 millimeters. The feel in the hand is just as important as the aesthetic and the measurements. This feels like an incredibly solid piece. In fact, I want to assure you of as much. Since we did dimensions, why not do all metrics? There's Sammy the scale. Let's put this watch on Sammy, and as you can see, we are over 160 grams. Anything over a quarter pound is a weighty watch, and this is a massive machine. Remember, a quarter pound is about 112 grams. This watch is something you feel in the hand and on the wrist and take pride in its quality. On the wrist, it wears nicely, and you can see that it does fit my wrist, which is 16 centimeters circumference. I'm going to say this is a rare integrated bracelet watch that wears true to size. If you can wear a 40 millimeter round watch, you can wear this. It is very flat and will easily slide under a cuff. I'm going to recommend this for a wrist as small as, let's say, 15 centimeters circumference. My wrist is 16. You go a little bit smaller and still wear this well. The bracelet is fully integrated. Taking a look at the bottom, you can see how it's joined. It's joined using a series of screws and bars, and then fully integrated, it tapers down past the lugs towards the end. We have a number of removable links, and you can see that we have an intermediate size link. So if you find yourself in between sizes with the standard size links, you've got these two intermediates that you can remove. We have a clasp system, twin trigger release. It closes. It's a non-sequential. You can close either side first. Sartory Billard and Armand Billard, giving us something that for years and years and years, Patek Philippe did not. A micro adjustment. And the micro adjustment is built into each side of the clasp, so don't miss that. You have standard size links, the intermediate, and the micro adjustment. Armand is a former industrial designer out of France, and he's a self-taught artisan, but he recruits a broad collection of collaborators from Waco on the design side to case makers, stone cutters, movement suppliers, and when you go on Armand's website, you'll find that all of them are credited MB&F style. The watch is deeply impressive. You can see scalloped and then satin finished case band. You can see that the bezel itself features hollows at 9 o'clock and 3 o'clock with satin interiors. You can see the matte finish there, and then polished facets at 3 o'clock, well, I should say from approximately 4 o'clock all the way to 8 o'clock on the opposite side, and then from roughly 10 o'clock to about 2 o'clock. So it's an interestingly proportioned watch with unique proprietary hands, and you can see that the watch does feature a unusual system of luminescence in that there is a sapphire ring on the dial that sits above the turquoise base, and it is then filled with a lacquer-like luminescent material for unparalleled detail and intricacy. The watch is 100 meters water resistant. You can see the SB logo on the crown. You can absolutely swim with this, and it does feature a hacking or stop seconds function that's characteristic of the La Joux Swiss-made G100 movement. You can see that the intricacy of the hands, a combination of polish and satin, second to none in detail. This is Armand's calling card. You can see the sapphire ring with the lume and the calibrations above the natural turquoise stone dial base. And no two of these can ever be exactly alike, even though there's only 8, and this one was sold in 2024. The stone never repeats itself. Rolling around to the back, you can see the case back features a blued grade 5 titanium fluted rotor, one side of which features a tungsten mass, and then it's fixed with 3 screws at the center, which is a nice distinction. That's sort of a high horology setup with an invisible sapphire wheel connecting the outer rotor to the bearing. So you can see it's a little bit like the Vianney halter Antiqua, and that you can't see the wheel itself. Now you can see we've got Edicron for primary timing adjustment and beat error correction, as well as an eccentric screw micrometric corrector. 24 joules, automatic winding, 68-hour power reserve, hacking seconds, And the 68-hour power reserve is sort of a feather in its cap. For an ETA-sized movement, those are generally 38 to 42 hours. 62 is a nice thing to have, and it is adjusted by Armand in-house, so you're going to get a very high standard of chronometric performance. You can see it is indeed 10 ATM, and Grail watch. This is number 6 of 8, individually numbered. Waco's aesthetic sensibility with these Grail watch variants is always spot on. They always look sort of like how I would have designed it if I had the opportunity. And Armand is a super cool dude. He's sent me so much stuff as a friend. He sent me a graphic novel portrayal of the career of Bernard Hinault, as well as a yellow jersey signed by the 5-time Tour de France winner. He's an absolute dude. He's the coolest person to know, super friendly, and if you want to be on a first-name basis with your watch designer and watchmaker, he's definitely the person to go with. And French horology is on the rise, and although this watch is qualified as Swiss-made, its heart and soul lies in France with Armand. Reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.